Top 10 is the strongest animal can carry lift weight. First, African bush elephant can lift 6,000 kilogram weight, so it is the first. Second, musk ox can lift 900 kilogram weight. Third, gorilla can lift 815 kilogram weight. Fourth, white rhino can lift 800 kilogram. Fifth, tiger can lift 550 kilogram. Sixth, grizzly bear can lift 500 kilogram. Seventh, lion can lift 450 kilogram. Eighth, polar bear can lift 450 kilogram. Ninth, leopard can lift 125 kilogram. 10th, harpy eagle can lift 18 kilogram. Thank you. Subscribe this small YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing me. Thank.